Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the plugins and effects for Paint.net, and this makes it an absolutely amazing free editor. And I would recommend everyone does this. So sometimes it can be super easy to install these. You'll download them, and then you can choose between like 25 or 30 of them. And then you can just go to install selected right here, and then we can retry this. But I think I have to close down PaintNet first, so I can't have it open. So sometimes it's going to be super easy to do, and we can just retry this out, and we should be able to install it now. Great. So, and other times it's going to be a little bit more difficult, where we have to copy and paste into the effects folder. So to find these, and I recommend this one, BoltBait GPU Accelerate Pack. That one's a pretty good one. But we can go to google.com. Just type in PaintNet plugins. And right where it says installed plugins, this is how I usually just find it. But if you can find the forums, you can usually find where we need to go here. I go here, and then I'll go to plugins are developed by third-party developers. Let's go to PaintNet forum plugins right here. And now we're under here. This is PaintNet forums / plugins, something on the top. But we can find the plugin index right here, and we can go by every different plugin that's pretty much ever been added. Now we can go by ordered, oldest, title, author, menu. Some of these are pretty good if you're searching for a specific thing. Otherwise, plugin packs right here. This is what I usually do when I download it and I need to get plugins real quick. I'll just go to like recently updated or most viewed, and you can find some good plugin packs under here. Like this is how I got the last one I was showing, Bolt's GPU, Techno Robot. And if you download maybe like 3 or 4 of these, you'll probably be good at what you need. So Pyro Trials, I think I like this one. So you can just choose this and then go to the installer for these. I think a lot of these plugin packs, it's very easy to install. And if I install this one, for example, I go up to the top now and I click on it and I open it up. You're going to see it's under here. We can click the application. And then you can see I have a bunch of these I can install. Like a splatter, stitch, trail, twist. I can go to install now. I agree. And it's going to install it. It looks like I already have it, so I would have to override it. Whatever, I'll just override it. And it failed. Okay, great. So it should be installed now on PaintNet. So if I go up to effects, I should be able to see all these different things now. It looks like I actually added a bunch because I have a scrolly wheel now. So the other way to install these, maybe have like an individual add-on. So let's see if I can find an individual add-on I like. So let's go back to the plugin or index, or you can find like what people are posting down here. I'm just going to choose, maybe I can find like a green screen or something like that. Green screen. See if this works. I don't think I've done this here version. And if you can type in like something that you want, let's see, how do I search? I gotta hit this. I'm not sure. So you can go through here and try this out. And I'll just do this as an example. Green tint reduction. Okay, that's somewhat similar to green screen. Let's just go to this and find the link. All right, so I'm gonna download this zip. And once I have this downloaded, let's open this up. Here's the little folder. And here's the file extension. Now, if you try to open it up, it's going to say like a .dll system file or something like that. It's not going to open up and install like the last ones that you had. What you want to do, this is an application extension. I'm going to cut this, right-click, cut, or copy. And then now you want to go to your current drive, wherever you have PaintNet installed. So you might have like this C drive. I have Windows on it, so you can see this PC on the left. Right here, we are looking for specifically program files. So let's go to program files. And then find PaintNet in here. Here's PaintNet.net. And then look for effects. Here's my effects. Paste it into your effects folder. So this one is like a tint or something like that. I'll need permission, go to continue. and it's moving into here. So I can see green tint reduction. Now I don't believe we have to restart PaintNet. So if I go up to effects, I should be able to see that green paint reduction somewhere in here. Green tint. So I'm not exactly sure the category it's under, however. So if I look through here, I should be able to find it somewhere. I just have a lot of different effects on here now. So it could be like under colors. It could be under photo. So if I go through here, I can try to find it. So that is sometimes that is the problem when you have too many effects on here. Some of them might like be the same thing. It looks like I double added everything. So I might just go through here and just delete some. So you can see I have like 2 different gradients. So anything that is double, I'm just going to go delete in that folder. So yeah, just open that up. But that is how you get effects and plugins on PaintNet. Very easy to do. Just takes a little bit of steps. Not that complicated. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.